Okay, my friends, I've got an '05 C230 compressor, Sport, and I got in the car today, and the radio turned on just fine, but I had no audio. There was like no sound. So I looked everywhere for the fuse box. I couldn't figure it out. So once I finally found it, I wanted to show you. So if this happens, you lose your audio, but your radio works. Let me show you where, and I'm just going to keep the camera on, where this fuse is located, because it took me for frickin' ever. So here's the car. Lift the hood, and you're going to have this plate right here. Okay, so that's going to be where the fuse box is. And when you look in here, okay, hopefully you can see this. I'm going to turn on the light. There you go, and you see the blue fuse right there that I'm pointing to? That is the guy. And what was really weird about it is I pulled that fuse and it looked totally fine. And then I swapped this fuse, another fuse here for that, and boom, all of a sudden it works just fine. So anyway, this is going to pretty much work on pretty much any C-Class of this vintage. So this, like I said, is an '05. And just to show you too real quick, this panel is going to go over. So here's your fuse box lid. There's going to be a beauty panel that goes right over the top of it right here. And it's only going to be held on by these little screw guys that'll just kind of pop in there. And the lip for this is going to slide under that tab right there. So that's how that goes. And it'll fit in with these two little screws. Okay?